I tried Moonlet wallet app for 7 days. Here is the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Moonlet wallet app, I thought it would just be another average crypto wallet. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Moonlet is one of the most underrated non-custodial wallets out there, especially for people staking crypto and earning passive income safely. On day 1, setup was easy. No email, no personal info, just generate a wallet, save your recovery phrase, and you're ready to go. Moonlet supports multiple blockchains including Ethereum, Zilliq and Elrond. Right away, I noticed how clean and beginner-friendly the design felt. By day 2, I tested transactions. Sending and receiving tokens was fast, with minimal gas fees depending on the network. But what really caught my eye was the built-in staking feature. Most wallets require third-party apps or browser extensions to stake. Moonlet makes it seamless. Midweek, I staked some Zilliq and started earning rewards automatically. The dashboard clearly displayed the amount staked, rewards pending, and estimated returns, no hidden steps or confusing data. I even got notifications showing my staking progress. By day 5, I explored the security aspect. Moonlet is fully non-custodial, meaning you hold your private keys, not the app. Plus, it integrates with Ledger for hardware-level protection. That's a major win for users who value safety over convenience. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. Moonlet isn't trying to compete with flashy Divi wallets, it's quietly doing everything right. It's reliable, transparent, and perfect for long-term holders who want to stake securely and sleep easy. If you're looking for a clean, secure, and efficient crypto wallet that rewards you for holding, Moonlet deserves a serious look. It may not be the loudest in the market, but it's definitely one of the smartest choices out there.